African quilt patterns represent a vibrant celebration of culture, history, and artistry. Known for their bold colors, geometric designs, and symbolic patterns, these quilts tell stories and preserve traditions that have been passed down through generations. Today, we are exploring free African quilt patterns that will help you bring these rich traditions to life in your own quilting projects. These designs draw inspiration from ancient textiles like Kente cloth and mud cloth, offering you a way to infuse your work with creativity, cultural significance, and striking visual appeal. Our first free pattern is Kumbayah by Bev Getchell. This 33-inch square wall quilt celebrates unity and togetherness. The design features playful, interlocking figures surrounding a central star block, creating a symbolic visual effect. Next is the basketry quilt pattern by Project House 360 for Michael Miller Fabrics. Measuring 38 by 44 inches, this striking design features the silhouette of a woman carrying a basket, surrounded by intricate patterns and culturally rich motifs. The third free pattern is the Pottery Maker by Natalie Crabtree for Michael Miller Fabrics. This 65 by 72-inch quilt showcases stunning pottery motifs brought to life with bold and intricate fabric prints. Each pot is uniquely designed, offering an opportunity to play with colors and patterns that celebrate rich cultural heritage. The next pattern is Elephant in the Dark by AGF Studio. This 45 by 60-inch quilt features a bold elephant silhouette, surrounded by lush tropical foliage and intricate patterns. The vibrant mix of colors brings energy and charm to this design, suitable for quilters of all skill levels. The Wild Style by Terry Lucas for Make It With Marcus is our next pattern. This 50-inch square quilt features dynamic storm at sea blocks that bring movement and depth to the design. The mix of animal prints, including zebra stripes, leopard spots, and giraffe patterns, creates a bold and adventurous aesthetic that captures the spirit of the wild. The final free pattern is Picture Perfect by Jean Ann Wright for Andover Fabrics. Measuring 57 by 60 inches, this engaging design uses framed pictures of animals thoughtfully arranged to resemble an art gallery wall. The mix of African wildlife prints adds a touch of the exotic, perfect for nature enthusiasts. Adding an African-inspired quilt to your collection is a wonderful way to celebrate diversity and explore the beauty of global quilting traditions. Whether you choose one of the free patterns or invest in a purchased design, these quilts will bring vibrant colors, meaningful symbolism, and cultural richness to your quilting projects. For even more inspiration, visit ilovequiltingforever.com to discover a wider selection of African quilt patterns.